Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to change the theme color on your Google account. Let's get right into it. Open the Google app on your smart device and make sure you are signed in to your account. By opening the Google application on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile and click on it. Then, on the next page in the drop-down menu, you will look for the Setting option and then click on it. By clicking on the option, Setting, a new page will open where you can also look for the option, Customize Search Widget in the drop-down menu and click on it. And now we can change the color of the theme on your Google account. As you can see on the new page, you have a field where you can visually see the changes that we will now apply. Below that, there are several theme colors. More precisely, there is System Theme, where the theme is set according to the system of your phone. There you also have a light and dark version of the theme, and of course what we would like to highlight is the Virgin theme, which literally represents the theme on your device. We emphasize again that it is up to you to choose which of these themes you want to apply to your Google account. But also under the theme colors, there is a transparency option that allows you to make the wallpaper more or less visible. When you are done with the selection and setting, all that remains is to click on the Save option in the upper right corner of the screen. And that's it! You have successfully updated the color theme of your Google account. Now your Google apps will have a brand new look that matches your style. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.